How to create BIGO Live account. For that, make sure you have installed BIGO Live application on your mobile device. After that, you simply need to open the BIGO Live application. So once you open the app, you need to first of all allow BIGO Live to send the notifications. After you allow, you need to allow BIGO Live to access the device location as well. Then here on the first step, what you need to do is you need to enter your gender. After that, you need to enter your age, and now you need to tap on done. If you don't want to do this step, simply you can tap and skip at the upper right. So here are different options to sign in with in the BIGO Live. It gives the option to sign up with the phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple ID, and many more. For now, simply tap on the first option. In the section, you need to enter your country or region and the phone number. After you enter the phone number, simply tap on next to go through all the process. Once you have entered your number, you simply need to tap on verify. You can simply continue with SMS as well. So once you have entered the verification code and verify your number, simply you need to create a strong password here which must be at least 6 characters, contains letter, number and symbols. Once you are done with creating a password, simply you need to tap on sign up button. Now here you need to set up a profile. Let's go back again. And here you need to set a profile, or simply you can tap on escape at the upper right button. You need to set up profile, or else you need to tap on the upper right corner escape option, and here you need to tap on start. After you are done with that, here you can see that you have already created an account on the Vigo Live account. So this is how you create Vigo Live account. I hope you found this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell of our channel so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.